Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Alex. I'm so happy you are here today.
And hi everyone, I'm Emma, and today we have a very interesting topic. A little bit scary, but very important.
What is it, Emma?
AI, artificial intelligence. There is a lot of news about AI taking people's jobs, and I want to know, what do you think, Alex?
That is a big question. AI is changing our world very fast. Some people are excited, some people are worried.
Today, we are going to talk about both sides, the good, the bad, and the uncertain, and we will learn how to express our opinions in English.
So you will learn phrases like, in my opinion, I believe that, on the other hand.
By the end of this episode, you will be able to join the conversation. You can share your own thoughts about AI and jobs.
Before we start, please subscribe to the channel. It is free, and it helps us so much. Okay, let's begin. Part 1. The story of the automated cafe. Emma, can I tell you a story?
Of course. I love your stories.
Last month, I went to a new cafe in my neighborhood, but there was something strange.
Strange? What do you mean?
There were no human workers. Everything was done by machines and screens.
No people at all?
No cashier, no barista. You ordered on a big touchscreen. A robot arm made the coffee. Another machine gave you the food.
How did that make you feel?
It felt strange. The coffee was actually good, but something was missing.
What was missing?
Human connection. No one said, hello, how are you? No one smiled. No one said, have a nice day.
I understand. A cafe without people feels cold.
Yes, and that made me think, AI and robots can do many jobs, but can they replace human warmth? I don't think so.
That is a great point. Let's learn some opinion phrases from Alex's story.
In my opinion, AI cannot replace human connection.
I believe that human warmth is important.
On the other hand, the coffee was still good.
These are perfect phrases for sharing your opinion.
Let's start with the basics. Emma, what is AI?
AI stands for artificial intelligence. It means computers that can learn, solve problems, and make decisions.
Like ChatGPT, or self-driving cars, or the robot at the cafe.
Exactly. AI is getting smarter every year, and that is why people are worried.
What are people worried about?
Many people are worried about losing their jobs. They think AI will do their work faster and cheaper.
That is a real concern. Let's look at which jobs might be affected.
Jobs that are repetitive, like data entry, factory work, basic customer service, these jobs could be done by AI.
But jobs that need human creativity, human emotion, human connection, those are harder for AI to replace.
Let's learn some useful vocabulary.
Repetitive. Doing the same thing again and again.
Creativity. Making new things or new ideas.
Concern. Worry about something.
Great! Now you can talk about AI and jobs. Alex, can I tell you a story about my friend?
Of course.
My friend Maria works as a translator. She translates documents from Spanish to English.
That is a very useful skill.
It is. But last year, her company started using AI translation tools. The AI could translate in seconds.
What happened to Maria?
Let's talk honestly about jobs that AI might replace. This is the scary part.
Number 1, data entry. Typing information into computers.
AI can do this very fast, with no mistakes.
Number 2, Customer service phone operators.
Many companies already use chatbots. You talk to a robot, not a person.
Number 3. Factory workers.
Robot arms can build cars and pack boxes all day. They never get tired.
Number 4. Cashiers.
Self-checkout machines are already in many stores.
Number 5. Some translators and writers.
AI can write simple articles and translate basic texts.
This sounds scary, but here's the good news.
What is the good news?
New jobs are also being created, jobs that did not exist 10 years ago.
That is true. Let's list those.
Number 1. AI trainers. People who teach AI how to be better.
Number 2, data scientists. People who understand information.
Number 3. Robot maintenance workers. People who fix robots.
Number 4, AI ethicists. People who decide what is right and wrong for AI.
So the world changes. Some jobs go away, new jobs appear.
Let's practice talking about this. Some jobs might be replaced by AI. Pause. 3 seconds for listener to repeat.
New jobs are being created every year.
Pause. 3 seconds for listener to repeat. We need to learn new skills. Pause. 3 seconds for listener to repeat.
That last phrase is very important. We need to keep learning. Alex, what jobs do you think AI cannot replace?
I think jobs that need human emotion, human creativity, human connection.
Like what?
Number 1, teachers.
I agree. A robot cannot understand a student's feelings.
Number 2, doctors and nurses.
AI can help diagnose sickness, but it cannot hold a patient's hand.
Number 3, artists, musicians, and writers.
AI can create art, but it cannot feel human emotion.
Number 4, psychologists and therapists.
Helping people with their feelings needs a human heart.
Number 5, social workers and caregivers.
Taking care of elderly people or children needs love.
Number 6, chefs and creative cooks.
A robot can follow a recipe, but can it create a new dish with love? I don't think so.
Let's practice. AI cannot replace human emotion. Pause. 3 seconds for listener to repeat.
Teachers are hard to replace.
Pause. 3 seconds for listener to repeat. Creativity comes from humans. Pause. 3 seconds for listener to repeat.
These are important points to remember. Alex, do you have another story?
I do, about my friend Leo. He's an artist.
What happened to Leo?
Leo was very worried when AI art became popular. You can type words into a computer and the AI creates an image.
Yes, I have seen those images. Some are very beautiful.
Leo thought, why would anyone pay for my art when AI can make art for free?
That is a scary feeling.
But then Leo had an idea. He started using AI as a tool, not as a competitor.
How?
He uses AI to generate ideas. He types space whale or floating castle into the AI. Then he uses those images as inspiration.
That is smart.
Then he creates his own art, his human art. His art sells for more now because people want human art, not robot art.
So AI helped him become more creative.
Yes, he learned to work with the AI, not against it.
That is such a good lesson.
AI is a tool, not a replacement. Pause. 3 seconds for listener to repeat.
We can work with AI, not against it.
Pause. 3 seconds for listener to repeat. Those are powerful words.
Alex, what can we do? How can we protect our jobs?
That is the most important question. Here is my advice.
Tip number 1, keep learning.
Learn new skills. Take online courses. Read books. The more you know, the harder you are to replace.
Tip number 2, focus on human skills.
Communication, empathy, teamwork, creativity. These are things AI cannot do well.
Tip number 3, learn to use AI.
Don't be afraid of AI. Learn how it works. Use it to make your job easier.
Tip number 4, be flexible.
Be ready to change. The world is changing fast. The people who adapt will succeed.
Tip number 5, build relationships.
AI cannot build real friendships. It cannot build trust. Your human connections are your superpower.
Let's practice these tips.
I need to keep learning new skills. Pause. 3 seconds for listener to repeat.
I will learn to use AI as a tool.
Pause. 3 seconds for listener to repeat. My human skills are important. Pause. 3 seconds for listener to repeat.
You can do this. Everyone can adapt and grow.
Now let's learn some phrases to share your opinion about AI and jobs.
Phrase 1. In my opinion.
In my opinion, AI will change many jobs. Pause. 3 seconds for listener to repeat.
Phrase 2. I believe that.
I believe that humans are more creative than AI. Pause. 3 seconds for listener to repeat.
Phrase 3. I think that.
I think that we should not be afraid of AI. Pause. 3 seconds for listener to repeat.
Phrase 4. On the other hand.
On the other hand, some jobs might disappear. Pause. 3 seconds for listener to repeat.
Phrase 5. From my perspective.
From my perspective, AI is a tool, not a threat. Pause. 3 seconds for listener to repeat.
These phrases will help you join any conversation about AI.
Now let's review the key vocabulary from today. Emma, what is our first word?
Number 1. Artificial intelligence, AI, computers that can learn and make decisions.
Number 2, replace, to take the place of something else.
Number 3. Repetitive, doing the same thing again and again.
Number 4, creativity, making new things or ideas.
Number 5. Empathy, understanding another person's feelings.
Number 6, adapt, to change and fit into a new situation.
Number 7. Tool, something that helps you do a job.
Number 8, concern, worry about something.
Try to use these words today. Practice saying them out loud.
Now is your turn. Share your opinion about AI and jobs.
I will give you a sentence starter. You finish the sentence. Ready? In my opinion, AI is...
Pause. 6 seconds for listener to answer. Good. Now try this one. I believe that AI will... Pause. 6 seconds for listener to answer.
Excellent. Last one. From my perspective, the most important skill for the future is...
Pause. 6 seconds for listener to answer. You just shared your opinion about AI. In English. That's amazing.
There is no right or wrong answer. Your opinion matters.
Thank you so much for practicing with us today.
AI is changing our world. Some people are scared. Some people are excited.
But one thing is true. The future belongs to people who keep learning, who stay curious, who adapt.
And that includes you. You are learning English right now. That's one of the best skills for the future.
If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more real conversations.
And share this video with a friend who is worried about AI. Help them see the positive side.
Now, we have a question for you. Write your answer in the comments below.
What do you think? Is AI a threat or an opportunity? Tell us in English.
Even one sentence is great. We read every comment.
For me, I think AI is an opportunity. We just need to learn how to use it.
For me, I think AI is a tool. It can help us, but it cannot replace human hearts.
Thank you, Alex, and thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep adapting, and keep speaking English. Your English is getting better every single day. Bye, everyone.
Bye.